Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to connect your JBL Live Beam 3 to an iPhone. So first of all, open up your case, take both of the earbuds, and let's see, your indicators of the blue color should start flashing blue. If it's not happening, simply click on the headphone, any of them, and hold it like for 5 seconds. Now, as you see, headphones started flashing with blue color, and it means that they're in the pairing mode. Now, grab your iPhone, open up your control panel. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner. Long hold on this section, long hold on the Bluetooth icon, turn it on, long hold it again, Bluetooth settings, open it up. And now, as you see, our iPhone has already detected the headphones. Simply press here, give it a few seconds to pair, and now, as you see, we're connected. Also, don't forget to connect your headphones through the JBL Headphones application. To do that, install your JBL Headphones application in your App Store, open it up. Now your iPhone has already detected your headphones. Press pair, press get started, press allow. Just follow the simple instructions and accept all the permissions. Now, as you see, we're connected. We can control your headphones through the settings. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.